Ence is the leading Spanish producer of renewable energy from agroforestry biomass. Ence needed to digitize plant monitoring activities, both to improve predictive maintenance and to accomplish energy performance enhancement objectives. Together with Minsait, Ence digitized its operations by using Onesait Plants APM.
The most successful story has been basically the way that we have used the performance tool in order to know perfectly what is your variable cost at each power rate of the plant.
As a driver to achieve those goals, we propose the predictive and performance monitoring with our Onesait APM solution to provide the plant personnel with early warning of impending failures and underperformance on the asset.
Thanks to Onesait Plants APM, Ence is much more aware of the operational situation in its production facilities, thus preventing and avoiding major issues.
The important thing here is when the people from the plants call you and give you the notice that they got huge results. I can give you, for example, when they detected a water tube leak in the boiler that we prevented to have a major issue, and we could schedule a shutdown to repair the elbow and to wrap up the issue quite fast. No, this is great. And the other one is, for example, when the people call you and they realize that doing some kind of fine-tune, they can increase the performance of the plant, increasing the temperature, for example, in the superheated steam, and well, that's great. In terms of messages from the plant, without this tool, it will be impossible to know exactly what is your performance. In that case, you can make some big mistakes bidding for rates that actually you are not making money.
During this project, Minsait has always been supporting Ence as its technological partner.
Yeah, it's extremely important to know who is your partner to walk the way. This is extremely important, and the value for us from Indra is that they know perfectly the company. They understand what are our needs. They are working really hard, with us in order to maximize the business opportunities that we have.
Quite a lot of success stories have been identified, generating savings for Ence and also discovering new ways to increase incomes.